So part of my day 10, 11, well, I'll figure it out later, update is starting to come together. Has an Alpine window. The doors are working, functional. They're together except for the inside door cards. See what they look like in there. I can't open them. Yesterday we did a master cylinder for the clutch, a slave cylinder for the clutch. Put the Alpine window on. Put these on. Got them knocked out. Got oh man, drawing a blank. What else did I do? Alpine window. Yeah, it seems to be about it. Did some other stuff, picked up some parts, ordered some stuff, got some wrong size door handles. It was great. Door handles have these gaskets right here. And the door handles that we got were too big for the gaskets. It's great. I'll have to figure that one out. But anyway,